How to reset your Gmail password if you forgot it. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Gmail password if you forgot it. First, open your Gmail application on your mobile device. Here, tap on profile icon on your top right. Then, tap on add another account. After that, tap on Google. Now enter your email address. Tap on next. Here, tap on forgot password. After that, tap on try another way. Here, tap on try another way. Now you need to tap on I don't have my phone. Google will send a verification code on your phone number. Now, tap on text. Enter the 6-digit code which they have sent you. After that, tap on next. Here, tap on update password. Now, create your new password from here. This is how you can reset your Gmail password if you forgot it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.